Hello and welcome to this video on the CLA Maturity Tool. This is a tool that can help you plan and implement and assess your CLA approaches and practices that fit your context and help you achieve your development objectives. CLA stands for collaborating, learning, and adapting, which are key practices for improving the effectiveness of USAID and its implementing partners. In this video, we will learn what this tool is and how you can use it and why it is valuable. What is the CLA Maturity Tool? The CLA Maturity Tool is an interactive tool that shows you what systematic, intentional, and resourced integration of CLA can look like throughout your implementation cycle and within an organization's culture and processes. The CLA framework is USAID's operational model for planning, delivering, assessing, and adapting development programming. The CLA Maturity Tool uses a series of physical cards or handouts that describe different levels of maturity for each component and subcomponent of the CLA framework. The components and subcomponents are based on the CLA framework, which is a conceptual framework that identifies the key elements of CLA in the program cycle and the enabling conditions that support them. The tool has 5 levels of maturity for each component and subcomponent, ranging from nascent and mature. For example, the component of collaborating with stakeholders, the levels are 1. Not present. Stakeholder engagement is ad hoc or absent. 2. Emergent. Stakeholder engagement is planned but not consistently implemented or monitored. 3. Expanding. Stakeholder management is regularly implemented and monitored but not systematically analyzed or used. 4. Advanced. Stakeholder engagement is systematically implemented, monitored, analyzed, and used to inform decision-making. 5. Institutionalized. Stakeholder engagement is institutionalized and continuously improved based on feedback and learning. How to use the CLA Maturity Tool? To use the tool, you need to think more deliberately about what approach might be best tailored to your organizational or project context. You can use the tool to help you self-assess, assess where you are now in your CLA practice across the dimensions in the tool. 2. Establish vision. Decide where you want to be in the future in your CLA practice across the same dimensions. 3. Action plan. Prioritize what actions you need to take to get there and develop your CLA plan. 4. Track progress. See how far you have come and how much more you can do. The tool can be used by USAID missions or implementing partners individually or together. Working through the tool together can spark conversations about CLA, identify strengths and gaps, and generate ideas for action. You can also use the tool to develop your CLA activities, indicators, roles, and responsibilities for integrating CLA into your work. Why is the CLA Maturity Tool valuable? The tool is valuable because it helps you to 1. Assess where you are now in your CLA practice objectively and comprehensively. 2. Decide where you want to be in the future in your CLA practice based on your context and needs. 3. Prioritize what actions you need to take to get there based on your resources and opportunities. 4. See how far you have come and how much more you can do. 5. By using this tool, you can enhance your ability to collaborate with stakeholders, learn from data, adapt in response to evidence, and create an enabling environment for CLA.